Hey, what up guys, how's it going? This is just a quick unboxing. Of course, you already know I have my Series 5 Apple Watch stainless steel with Milanese loop. I did an unboxing of that already. So I also ordered a 44mm black leather loop the same time I purchased the watch, but it didn't arrive until today. So here it is right here, and this is just a quick unboxing so you can see what it looks like. We'll unbox it, I'll throw it on my arm, kind of get close up so you can see what it looks like, and that's it. All right guys. Laters. Oh yeah, before I forget, give me a like and a subscribe. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. This retails for $99.99, I believe. And yeah, let's go ahead and open it up. Check it out. As you can see here, and leather loop. Nothing really important on the back there. Let's pull that back. Okay. Watch, and then show you how to put it on and adjust it and all that, but this is super simple. And there it is. I'm liking it. It's more of a, it's not glossy at all, it's more of like a matte black, if you will. Let me come in a little closer so you could get a better look at it. Now here, this seems to be a little like chrome looking, if not a polished stainless maybe that they have there. The size I got, this is a medium. All right, let's go ahead and pull it out of here. Take that part out, and now this part. And here it is in my hand, as you can see. So yeah, like I said, this is a size medium. I believe you could see the M right above my thumbnail right there, and then in writing real small there it says natural leather. Okay, and here's the other side. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take off the Milanese loop that I have here, and we'll go ahead and put this on and see what it looks like. I only take out one side at a time. That way I don't put the wrong piece in, because that's happened before, like not paying attention, and then I'll put the longer side that's supposed to go at the bottom up here and vice versa. So I just do one at a time, so you always know the shorter one is up top. Okay, I'll spin this around and push in and slide. And I'll put in the bottom half of the leather loop. Okay, kind of clicks in there. And then let's go ahead and put it on. Wow, okay, that feels good. And yeah, here's what it looks like on my wrist. So I'll probably get the tan one as well. And yeah, it's like a tan leather, because I like having the blacks and the browns for sure. And then maybe I'll even get like a Nike sport band or something. I need a white one. There's times where I do need a white one, but let me come around on the other side for you. Okay, so there you go. This is the medium 44mm leather loop for the Series 5 Apple Watch. Yeah, hopefully they'll get these in stock soon. If you try to order one on Apple's website, the last time I looked, it was showing December, like it was nuts. Then it moved back to November, then back to December. So hopefully they get them in soon, but yeah, I just wanted you to see what it looked like. Okay, and then coming around, you could see the always on display. So it's there, then you turn it there. So pretty cool. Anyways, hope this video helped you decide if you want it or not. All right guys, laters.